If you're looking for an easy way to export a Practice Better page, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to get the job done, plus a few tips and tricks to make it even easier. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, I'll also be sharing an exclusive offer, and I'll reveal a top competitor that may be even better for your needs. First, let's dive into exporting your Practice Better page. When you're logged into your account, head over to the page you want to export. Practice Better offers a straightforward way to export pages, but it does have a few limitations you should know about before you start. Next thing, once you're on the page you want to export, look for the export options. Usually, you'll find them under Settings or in the top corner of the page editor. If you're working with a client profile or something more specific like a session summary, this could change slightly, but the basic principle remains the same. Click the Export button, and Practice Better will give you a couple of options like exporting to PDF or CSV, depending on the type of content you're working with. The third thing, if you're looking to create a custom export or perhaps automate this process, Practice Better does fall short compared to some other platforms. You're limited to exporting entire sections or reports, but you can easily pick and choose the specific data points you want to save. For clients with multiple pages, this can be a little cumbersome. So, if you're after a more detailed and customizable export feature, you might find this aspect a bit lacking. The fourth thing, let's talk about formatting. Once you export your page, you'll notice that while it's good for a basic layout, it's not the most polished format, especially for professional use. The PDF might not have the most clean and editable design you might want for sharing with clients or integrating into your other business tools. If you're looking to send professional documents or track things in a more dynamic way, you might run into some issues with the formatting. And finally, here's where it gets interesting. As much as Practice Better does have a solid set of features, if you're after smoother, more refined exporting or more flexibility in customizing the layout, there are alternatives that do it better. So, while Practice Better's exporting works for most, if you're serious about creating well-formatted, tailored reports, it's worth considering other platforms. Before I wrap up, here's something you'll want to know. If you're interested in Practice Better, there's an exclusive and extended free trial available through our link. This means you can dive in and test out all the features risk-free for longer than usual. But I've also found some alternatives that might serve you better for your exporting needs, platforms that offer more customization, smoother exports, and more integration options. And guess what? They also offer free trials that we'll link to in the description. So make sure to grab those exclusive benefits and check out the full list of alternatives that could be exactly what you need for a better exporting experience. Click the link and start your free trial now.